So I'm in the property of one of my student properties. We're just in between tenant changeovers. Tenants moved out at 10 o'clock this morning. Tenants move in tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. We're in just checking, you know, bits and pieces. The tenants have been great here. There's very little, like a little sink thing. There's a curtain rod done. But I'm here to sing the praises of this little bad boy. If you are a new landlord, I know this sounds silly, but Henry is your friend. Just Henry is your friend. Now you might go pink, you might decide that Henrietta is your gal rather than a Henry, there you go. But your tenants are gonna muck these Hoovers around like crazy, and you want something that's so crazy robust that it never goes out of fashion. Now I don't even want to tell you how many Henrys I own. And we also always, for the start of a new tenancy, put a new filter in, a new bag, so they're not left with everybody else's dust. But I bought these Henrys like years ago, and they just don't break. I've never had a breakdown, but I do have a Henry breakdown supplier repairer. So very quick tip, what Hoover I'm gonna buy, you know, Henrys. They're like the cockroaches in a nuclear explosion. They're just indestructible, guys. Henrys every time. Or Henrietta.
You know the drill. Like and subscribe.